Hey my friends, how are you? So I'm up to the next step on the Focke-Wulf, the Border Models Focke-Wulf. So we've got it all the decals on, and I've used the lacquer paints to spray paint up all the colour here. But now the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to panel line all the lines here. Try and get some pigment into those gaps and panel gaps, and then really bring them out. And then we're also starting to get a tiny little bit of pigment into the rivet holes. I just did this area now. So what I'm doing is I'm just using just a normal oil paint, just that I've thinned down with mineral turpentine. And so you just dip it in there and just running it along the panels, and then using it all and just sort of spreading it out and getting it all nice and into the areas there. But it just, I reckon it makes it look a lot better. But yeah, I'm using black. So I don't always use black, but this is sort of really making it come up a lot better. You can sort of see the difference there. Adds a more dirty, used feel as well. So that'll be pretty nice, I reckon, in the end. And then I just let it dry and give it a bit of a seal with some Mr. Colour lacquer. Clear lacquer, but she looks good. I like it. It's a really nice plain black border. Should come up very nice in the end. But this is a very time-consuming process, and I'm getting much more into oils and stuff like that. Oils, I think, are really good for weathering and creating those realistic looks. But yeah, just coming along really nicely. Really happy with it. But yeah, just a quick look to see how it's coming along, and I'll get it all finished up and do a section at a time, a little section at a time. You don't want to get it too carried away, because if you don't get to things pretty soon, it can sort of stagnate a bit before you actually finish it. So cleaning it up, so I only do little sections at a time. It's good for the soul as well. You don't want to get carried away. All right, my friends, I'll speak to you again very soon.